Hello, this video is about how to make mask, and this video is created on request of one of my subscriber. And today I'll be making a double layered mask where I have taken an old kurti and I am just taken a plate and measuring 8 centimeter dimension. I'm just keeping the plate on the double layered cloth and just drawing a circle with the help of a plate. Okay, I'm drawing a circle using a chalk. Once it is drawn, you just cut the circle. So you will be getting two circles. So the double layered mask is very comfortable and it is better than the single layered mask. So now two circles are cut and you just fold the cloth into half and just make a crease. Just fold it and make a like a folding mark horizontally, vertically. Okay, and then one more fold, so you will get quarter. So once it is folded, you just draw with a chalk piece lines so that you can cut exactly half of the quarter. So half the quarter is like 4 quarters. In 1 quarter, half you will cut. So using a scissor, you cut the half the quarter piece from the circle. So both the circles you have to cut. Once it is cut, you have to stitch the whole circle. So now you can mark with the chalk piece. Now it is cut. Remove the piece and just stitch the circle. So in this mask I have used hand stitching. So I just stitched the whole circle and just whatever the slanting cuts were there, just I am trying to join in different way and I am giving a stitch. So this is I am stitching with the white thread so that you can see it, but actually when you are stitching you have to use the red color. And this mask is made with hand stitch, and the other mask what I will be going to show is the machine stitch. So now once stitching is done, I have just reversed inside out. Now I'll have a mask shape, like a cup shape. So now once that is done, whatever the left out area unstitched is there, you can stitch. Okay, stitch with the, now this is done and you can see the white thread. So there I have given the hand stitch. Once it is reversed out, I have done that thing. So now I have taken a hold kundan, or you can take button also. So I just had a kundan which has holes, so I am using, just I have folded one edge of the mask and just started stitching the button or kundan. So I have taken a nylon elastic thread which is generally used for making jewelry like beads, malas and all. So that is very transparent and very light, and it is good. So I don't have elastic. You can use the thin elastic also, white color elastic, but this is very transparent. So now I am inserting through the hole with the help of a needle. Once that is done, you can just take 4 centimeters, approximately 4 centimeters, and then put a knot. So you put double knot and you so you can just show to the candle the edges so that the knot will not slip away. So it will be secured. So on both the sides it should be done the same way. So once the knot is fixed, like 2 times tie the knot, and then you just show the edges to the fire, to the flame, so that the ends will be secured, so that the knot will not come out, because it's a nylon, so chances are there to slip away the knot. So it's better to secure with the flame. So then you try to push the knot towards the button, so your mask will be ready. This is double layer single design. Similarly, you can take double layered but different designs. For example, you are making for a kid, you can follow the same thing, but one layer you can have a Mickey Mouse napkins or towels, any old bed sheets, anything you can do, but for kids. So same procedure, but only thing is that you will have a designed mask, double design. So one more is single layered frills mask, where you will take a piece of cloth like approximately 8 centimeter or 9 centimeter. Based upon that, you can give 3 to 4 frills or 2 frills. I have given 2. If big, 2 frills. If small, 3 to 4. So try to, once the frills are made, just try to stitch the edges. Okay, so try to stitch the edges, and then you can make you can cut a straight long length cloth, and you can make a ropes on both the sides. And this is a double layer mask, where it is double cloth and it is good, and you can see the handmade stitch one, and this double design is a machine stitched one, and the elastic. So the double layered mask is very comfortable, and it is good than the single layer, and it exactly fits. So now coming to a very simple mask, which generally kids can themselves do. Take a simple cloth and just make a slit on both the ends, and just you can wear it over the years. Thank you for watching.